Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel Super Learning. In this video I will show you how to decrease the size of video without losing the quality of video. So let's start this video. First go to browser, and type HandBreak and search. Click on the first link. And click on this to download it. After downloading and installing, open the HandBreak software. After opening, click on File. I show you my video size. My video size is 63 MB. I select this video and drag to HandBreak software. Check the Web Optimize box. Click on the video to be, and control this constant quality. Select the frame rate and select 25. And click Start Encoder. Wait for the process to complete. Let's check the size of the compressed video. It's about 9 MB. This process is used to compress video without losing the quality. Please like this video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.